Hi all, myself Gomati. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of IT in Vellalar College of Engineering and Technology. Now I'm going to explain the content Android architecture. So this is the diagram of architecture of Android. The Android architecture have also known as a stack of software components. It contains mainly 5 sections, which is Linux kernel, libraries, Android runtime, application framework, and applications. But it have 4 layers only, but having 5 sections. So at the top of this layer, we having Linux kernel. The Linux kernel now it have the version of 3.6. So Linux kernel 3.6 have 115 batches, which is mainly responsible for managing all drivers, that is display driver, camera driver, Bluetooth, and audio, Wi-Fi. So all the hardware drivers has been managed by the Linux kernel only. It was placed in the top of the architecture, top of the layer. So before that we have a library. So this is the third layer of the Android architecture. So library having it's a good thing. It having main libraries like OpenGL, FreeType, SQLite, SSL. Here the SQLite is mainly responsible for storing the data. Not only the data, the audios and videos also stored in SQLite. We can store and retrieve the data from the SQLite. And also SSL, SGL, these are the famous libraries which is used for developing an application. So SLC is mainly responsible for internet security. So all internet facility will be provided by SSL libraries. Next one, the Android runtime. So Android runtime is one of the section within the library. So Android runtime is having core libraries and also Dalvik virtual machine. The core libraries is mainly supported for developers, because developers is going to develop an application. So what are the libraries or content needed for developing application, that was provided by the core library only. So core library is mainly helpful for developers, Android developers. So next one, the Dalvik virtual machine. The Dalvik virtual machine is like a Java virtual machine, which is mainly used for the application developers. Next layer is the application framework. So the application framework support more number of activities like activity manager, window manager, content provider, location manager, resource manager. So these are the activities the application framework is having more number of activities like this. So activity manager is mainly used for activity stack. It is the responsible for follow the activity stack. Next one is the content provider. The content provider is used to provide the content which will be needed for another application. We are going to chat in WhatsApp means, so what are the contents we have need for that particular application, it was provided by the content provider. Next one, the resource manager. Resource manager is mainly responsible for providing all the resources which will be helpful for developing an application. Location manager is mainly used for Google Map. So Google Map, if you are having, always we are having a Google Map. So for that for what are the content we need for that Google Map, it was provided by the location manager. So last one is the application. So this is the top of the top layer of the Android architecture. So applications like all the applications have been managed by this application layer, like a camera, alarm, clock. We have more number of applications already, we know that. So all the applications whatever we use in our daily life, this all has been managed by the application layer. So these are the main layers. These are the main 5 sections used in the Android architecture. Thank you all.